All right, guys, big day today. I wanted to provide a little bit of clarity on why I'm doing this and why I'm excited about this. First off, I love this space. I've been in it for a decade now. There's nothing like it. We're on the forefront of personal freedom and giving the individual the ability to be self sovereign back again. And I think that's incredibly fascinating. And the potentials are just great. When I was sending money to Venezuela and people in South Africa who couldn't get any money any other way, uh, watching them on Reddit be able to feed their families and buy backpacks for Christmas is one of the ways that I really realized the significance of what we're doing. The AI agents are near and dear to my heart as a musician, um, because we all are creative. I believe that with every aspect of myself. Like I've said before, just the perseverance in spite of the tremendous amount of difficulty or suffering or traumas that we endure requires incredible creativity and artistry, to be quite honest. So I wanted I, like many, have been cynical about AI, with creating art. But the reality is, it's always going to be sterile. With AI agents, we have the ability to impart a piece of ourselves as well as a community onto an agent, and then it can use what it's best at, just simple musical proficiency, to create and manifest that expression. So we remove all the friction, yet we retain the humanity of ourselves, of our community, of our interests, of our beliefs, of our soul. And we are able to fully articulate that in the thoughts we have in our head. The way great musicians have been able to say, I want it to sound like this without even ever playing an instrument. The way Rick Rubin has produced countless records without even understanding, I think, what a B flat is. So this is incredible. I think, um, for once, I see a real reason and need for a cryptocurrency to be involved, uh, outside of Bitcoin, the basics like that, but a real reason for a cryptocurrency to make the ability for small creators to monetize and track royalties, I think is just so incredible. And I'm so amped about it. I'm going to use it. I'm playing with it now. It's live. So, everybody get on board. AI agents are truly the next phase of, I think, remaining human in an increasingly robotic world, because we have something that's siloed from everything else. It's not all the information of since the history of time like ChatGPT. It's simply what we as a community have come together to create and have evolved this character into. So I think it's going to be pristine. I think it's going to be a pure encapsulation of the essence of what of the human experience. And I just to see and some of the things that the community is going to create, um, it honestly it's moving. So I can't wait to do that with everybody here. And yeah, I'm just so honored that something exists like this, so we can embark on this without a huge barrier to entry. We are doing this as a community, not as an institution. And I think that's incredibly powerful. And that's what I'm here for. And I hope that's what you guys are here for too. So get outside, touch some suede. And guys, if you're watching this video now and you're on this journey with me, um, we are blessed beyond belief. And that'll soon show. All right, guys, talk to you soon.